I just took my dusty old Nespresso machine out of the basement. She's dirty. This has been in the basement for probably about 6 months now. This is probably 5 years old. I got this for my bridal shower from my sister. And I ordered some new Nespresso pods because I thought of a recipe for a drink that I thought would be really good. So we gotta clean this, and then I'll make the drink tomorrow morning with you guys. I've never cleaned this before, and again, she's 5 years old. So let's do it. Let's try and do it and hope for the best. Okay, so apparently you don't actually have to put one of the little pods in there. Apparently you can just hold it down, tap it 3 times, it said. I don't know. Something's happening. That's it? Oh wait, now it's going. I mean, it's really not that bad. I just hit the button again, and now there's more coming out. I have no idea what's going on here. Okay, so I can't really get this to like continuously have water pass through, so I think what I'm gonna have to do is just, I hate to say it, I'm gonna have to get one of my new Nespresso pods and put it in there and then just keep running through the same one. Or maybe I could even take the coffee out of the little pod, because I think, let me show you guys. Okay, so this is one of the flavors that I got. It's a half-half. And I'm pretty sure the way Nespressos work, and I could be wrong, one of my friends' boyfriends told me once that it actually reads this little barcode right here. So now it's like dripping. I have no idea what's going on. So I think I'm just gonna have to give this one up. It's okay. Although now it's running. What is going on? That smells delicious, but I'm not drinking that. Taking a very long time, and I need energy, so I'm gonna defrost a peanut butter and jelly. Well, actually not a peanut butter and jelly. One of these Nutella sandwiches. So good. I don't want the pod to get thrown out. Okay, it's getting thrown out. Okay. So now I'm actually gonna take this pod out, and I'm gonna run water through it, I think, in the sink, just to try and get all the coffee out, and then I'm just gonna use this pod, if that makes sense. Okay, even this is difficult. I thought that it would be like a K-cup and there would be like a hole down here. There's not. So I kind of just have to like keep putting water through and then shake it out. There's gotta be an easier way. There has to be an easier way to do this, okay? And if you know of an easier way to do this and you make it to the end of this video, please don't tell me. Just let me believe that this was the easiest way to do this, okay? Thanks. All right. That worked, okay? Now let's do that, like 12 more times. Listen, when I was at Target earlier, I'm over here. Look at that, mint chip Oreos. They're actually pretty good. Carl, did you have some of the mint Oreos?
I just wanted to test them out, make sure that they weren't stale.
There's a whole row missing.
Well, sometimes you need multiple samples. You want to have
Okay, I hope that was good enough. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.